This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Headlight bulbs renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever twice. Fully raise the bonnet. Rotate the cover anti-clockwise and remove it from the rear of the headlight. Reach in and pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Press in the top of the retaining clip, move it to the right-hand side slightly and fold it down. Withdraw the bulb from the reflector. Align the tabs on the bulb flange with the slots in the headlight reflector and insert the bulb. The bulb will only fit correctly in one position. Fold up the retaining clip and engage it with the hook. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Refit the cover to the headlight. Rotate the lower cover in the wheel arch liner anti-clockwise and remove it. Rotate it anti-clockwise and pull the side light bulb holder from place. The capless bulb simply pulls from the holder. Insert the new bulb into the holder, then refit the bulb holder and rotate it clockwise to secure. Refit the cover to the headlight. Rotate the upper cover in the wheel arch liner anti-clockwise and remove it. The indicator bulb is accessed by removing the cover under the light unit. Pull the bulb holder from the reflector, then pull the bulb from the holder. Insert the new bulb into the holder, then press the bulb holder firmly into the socket in the reflector. Refit the cap to the light unit. Refit the cover to the wheel arch liner. Rotate the lower cover anti-clockwise and remove it from the wheel arch liner. Squeeze together the sides, disconnect the wiring plug, then rotate the bulb holder anti-clockwise and withdraw it from the fog light. Note that the bulb is integral with the holder. Insert the new bulb and holder into the reflector, then rotate it clockwise to secure. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb holder terminals. Refit the cover to the wheel arch liner. Rotate the lower cover anti-clockwise and remove it from the wheel arch liner. Squeeze together the clips and pull the bulb holder from the light unit. Depress the clip and pull the wiring plug from the bulb holder. Note that the bulb is integral with the holder. Due to the design, the bulb and holder will only fit in one position. Press the bulb and holder firmly into the light unit and reconnect the wiring plug. Refit the cover to the wheel arch liner. Firmly close the bonnet.